ऐकू येतो आमची. प्रेस कर. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್ವಾಂಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. 4 जण ಇವಸೈ आणि चिक वेट करता म्हणा. थँक यू योगेश बडवाम. ओके, आय एम प्रोसीडिंग. सर्वांगे नमस्कार. आमगेल कुलदेवा के वेंकटपति के ग्रामदेवा के आमगेल पूज्य जानसिल स्वाम्या के नमस्कार कोन वंदन कोरनो आमगेल आयचे कार्यक्रम प्रारंभ करता. आयचे टॉपिक कसल मलारी आमक सगटागे जायजले एक टॉपिक पर्सनल एफेक्टिवनेस म्हणून सांगचे ताका. पर्सनल एफेक्टिवनेस म्हळ्यार कशी आमी आनीक एफेक्टिव्ह जावेत, कशी आमी आमगेल व्यवहारांतू आमगेल कामांतू आनीक माहिती घेवयात म्हूण कशी आमी आनीक प्रोग्रेस करयात अशें म्हळेल बगेन हांव तुमकां मिगेल जानसिने समथिंग दॅट हाव एक्सपेरिमेंटेड, समथिंग हाव बीन शेअरिंग तें तुमचे लागी शेअर करता. तोळे आय एम equally excited, so I am seeing more people are joining. Surgeons say that, so I am sure more will join. I think 18 people are watching. Very good. 18 people are watching now. It has gone to 20. I am happy. So welcome all of you. Namaskar. Tumkani kai. Aiche topic personal effectiveness. Personal effectiveness. How you can become a personally better individual than what you were yesterday, than what you were a few minutes ago also. कशी आमी आनीक चांग कोरयात, how we can do better, how we can become a better individual, contribute better in we have got 3 statuses, no, we have got 3 areas in our regular life. One is your social world that we are in, another is our personal life, and one is our professional life. So 3 areas how you can become a better person, better than what you are. आता तुमचे लायक क्वेश्चन निंगिता. यू कॅन गिव मी युअर रिप्लायज इन चॅट. तुम्ही चॅटान बरयतना म्हाका अशी दिसता स्क्रिनाचेर. तुम्ही चॅटान तुमगेले रिप्लायज तुमगेले क्वेश्चन्स कसले जाल्यार तुम्ही तांतू दिव्यात. हे डिस्कशन एक 45 मिनिट्सांत हांव करता. तुमकां कसलेय डाउट्स जाल्यार ते मेन तुम्ही तांतू चॅटान दिव्यात and we will handle those doubts also. So ये काम करचे कसल म्हळ्यार प्रोग्राम ते ऑलमोस्ट एक 1 डे जाता तांतून हे एक्सेप्ट्स. So I have taken some key portions of that and I am trying to deliver this in a shorter while. So I am sure you will find it interesting. I will make it interesting for you. So starting the topic, I want to ask you a question. एक question निंगीत तुमका. You want to keep a paper and pencil, you can keep that also, so that you know you can make some notings. इथे तुमका बोरोंका जेला तुमका बोरोन काढ येतं. कसले विचार तुमकां मागीर डावट येता जाल्यार म्हाका निंग्यात तुमी ते खातीर तुमी एक पेन्सिल रेडी दवरचें छान तुगेल्या हातांत एक पेन्सिल एक पीस ऑफ पेपर दवरल्यार लायक आसता सी इन ग्रामर वी लर्न समथींग व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग आमगेल्या ग्रामर क्लासीस आमी सांगचे कसल म्हळ्यार गुड म्हूण सांगुचें मागीर बेटर म्हूण सांगुचें सो वी ऑलवेज बिलीव दॅट गुड इज देर बेटर इज देर एंड देर समथींग कॉल्ड बेस्ट म्हूण तुळ तुमकां what do you want to become out of this? I want you to give your reply whether you want to remain a good, you want to be better, or you want to be the best. तातू chat box तुमगे replies घालतरत बा तुमी. So what do you like to become? Good, better, best? Okay, somebody is saying better. That's my wife Vinoda. Thank you. So okay, proceeding there. So I'm sure all of you want to be good, better. You want to be better. You want to be the best. Some people say I am the best. I remember Muhammad Ali was one of the boxers. He used to say like that. So we all try to do our best. आम्ही करचे कसले काम अंजल्यारी आम्ही ट्राय करतच रपताय आम्ही ट्राय करता रपताय that we can do something better म्हणून okay very good I am getting answers as better thank you Srilata thank you Sandhya and next thing I want to ask you I will be posting some questions to you and I want to make it a little more interactive this is a new thing that we are all venturing into getting into online programs I am also doing a bit of online programs so तुमचे आमकां सन रिक्वेस्ट करचे म्हळ्यार बी ओपन जस्ट गिव युअर कॉमेंट्स इन द चॅट बॉक्स नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आम निंगीत कसं म्हळ्यार आर वी हॅपी I know we are challenging we are having too many challenges now lots of challenges at the corona covid ताजे challenges how to lead a life in a satisfying manner ते सगळे challenges are we happy the way we are living ये प्रश्न निंगत आसा हांव तुमकां are we happy or do you think you can become happier yes no just give a yes no are you interested in making it happy that could be the question also can give a reply yes or no IT पुरा पळया तुम्ही version 1 version 2 version 3 अश म्हणता नाही मॅ so version 1 version 2 if version 2 is not good is someone going to buy that ते एक आलोचन कराय okay so I am sure some of you have written you want to become a better version so do we want to become a better version of ourselves I mean next version avacheve anike improvement adcheve mun next question that I am posing to you very simple question again आम्ही कसले कोर्नतीन रबल्यारी something is expected out of us आम्ही कोर्नतीन रबतना आम्ही कसं करचे म्हण do we give excuses कोविड आशिल्लें नाजाल्यार आमी बस लेट येयलें नाजाल्यार बस मेळ्ळी अशी आमी मस्त सांगता आसतली some excuses do you want to get rid of a situation of giving excuses ते आलोचन कराय or it could be a blame game मिगेल खातीर न्ही आनी एकल्याल खातीर हांव लेट जाला अशें म्हण तशें आसवें म्हण आलोचन करचें ओके so this was my third question to you आनीक आत्ता जीवनांतू मस्त चेंजेस आमी चोयतासय आमी एक्सपिरियन्स करतासय COVID related to COVID and other challenges that are there lot of changes are coming but don't you think that changes have been there in our life आत्ता परिक्याने आत्ता वराने आमगे लाइफ कितली चेंजेस आयले आनीक येतासतनी only thing that remains in life is change so change for the good sometimes change could be challenging आमके एक इनबॉर्न क्वालिटी कसल म्हळ्यार आमी कसले चेंज येयल्यार ते आमी वी हॅव अ रेसिस्टन्स ते कसल म्हळ्यार कम्फर्ट झोन म्हणचे ताका आमकां ते कम्फर्ट झोनान तुमची भायर येवच्या भंय करता लाइफ इज इजी लेट मी बी लायक दॅट टेकिंग अ चॅलेंज इट इज लिटल मोर डिफिकल्ट कसल आमकां भंय करता की ते आमी करचे एवॉयड करताची ट्रेनिंगूचे हांवें सो आर यू रेडी टू चेंज म्हळें मिगेन फोर्थ क्वेश्चन तुमगेलें तुमचे लगी यू कॅन गिव युअर आन्सर येस नो Next question I want to ask you: are we ready to bring changes in us so that we have a better future, personally, professionally, socially? सुरवेक म्हणलें तुमकां तीन aspects of life. Tantu. Small changes. It could be small changes. In fact, small steps that a child takes is what leads it to walk. It might fall down, it will get up, again it will walk. So that is life. तुला तुमके hints दितात. Hints, a few tips that I can give you. How you can make this in your journey to effectiveness. I would call it a journey. आमगेले एक journey थंय. आतां आमी खंय असायची की खंय आमकां पावंका की so that destination hanga tukun thanga bridging the gap munche taka. So what we should do there malan migel like thought process an tam kelve points kelele ase te points tumka share kartat. First point kasal malari, will people like positive people or negative people? I'm sure you'll say positive people. Okay, so positive people are liked by everyone. So one is being positive. आमच्या roundabout, all around us, if you have positive people, the vibes are positive. Negative people, मैं तुमको negative vibe feel jata. I want to share something that Buddha has been telling, teachings of Buddha. You become what you want, what you think you are. तू कसं आलोचन करतस की ते तू जगता म्हण. तोळे I want to bring this thought in you. So think positive. There are all chances that you will become positive minded. You will have progress in life. You will become a better individual. So one thing is positive. Next point is bravery. When I say bravery, मला धैर्य म्हणून सांगूचे. धैर्य. आमकां धैर्यस की. Are we scared or are we not scared? Are we brave? मला ना brave म्हणून सांगूच कसं मला एक street fight जावो कसले आम्ही आणि एकल्याले झगडा करचे ते नाही. ते bravery नाही. Are we brave enough to hold our beliefs? आमकां कसन की belief हे right म्हणून आमकां आसलेलं ते आमी hold करताय वे म्हणून. Are we standing for it? Are we there for our ethics? आमगेले ethics कसन आमी believe करताच की ते पुरा आमी करताय वे म्हणून. So that bravery, also the bravery to speak up if there is something going wrong, or if you feel that someone is slightening you or someone is not treating you properly, Tish Mursila, you should have the courage, you should be brave enough to speak up. See, when you said like this, when you did like this to me, I really felt bad. You should have the courage to tell that person. See, people are not wantingly doing something to you. People might also have their thoughts or they might be well-wishers to you. So when you're feeling that, hold the courage, have that bravery to speak up. So that is what I meant by courage. The third one is, see, there is something called beaten path. आम्ही खंय आम्ही प्रयाण करतना ट्रॅव्हल करतना तुम्ही पळयलेलं असता रोडार ये ट्रेनार वतना ट्रॅक एक फॉर्म जाता मस्त जनान तशी ना they would have walked there. Many people, that is called beaten path. So पूरा जन कसं करता okay, somebody has taken this route, let me also go by the same route. Some people find a new route. So what I'm trying to tell you is being genuine, finding out something on your own, being different from the crowd mun sanchitaka. So there is something called being with the crowd and being alone. You know, they say, no, lion comes alone and all. There are a lot of dialogues about that. So I'm not getting into it. I'm just telling you, be genuine. Find your own ways of doing things. Do things differently. Experiment a little bit. There is something called class. There is something called mass. Have you noticed there are two types of movies which come? People are also like that. Jana, class astan. Class mala, a lot of people are like that. You'll find majority people are there. Ek movie el classes and watch korch movies say. Masses and watch korch movies say. Mass mala, it becomes I can give you an example. You take a movie, I will say something from Hindi. If you take a movie which is starred by Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, they're all mass movies. You know, there is a lot of collection, people come and watch. Every everyone likes to watch their movies for some reason. Even in the new generation, you have actors like that. And there are some class actors. I'm not trying to say which is good or which is bad. I'm just trying to distinguish, make you understand the difference between these two. So one is to be genuine, be different from others, be different from the crowd. So I told you three things. One is positive, remaining positive. The second one is about speaking up, being brave. Third one is about being genuine, different from the crowd. Now the fourth thing I want to bring to you is we all like to prosper in life. Kamai korchu javo, amgel job, everything. We want to be progressing. We want to do more and more things. Do you like to do that? Do you want to become prosperous in life? Now this prosperity, it is something financial. There could be even knowledge, which is prosperity. When we get this prosperity, I want to bring this aspect of generosity. Are we generous enough? Somebody is in trouble, he wants money. It's not about somebody collecting money. Are we sharing what we have? Even the knowledge that we have, sharing that is also a great thing to do. Are we sharing our time? Are you giving your time to somebody? Some people are there whom no one listens to. So maybe the best contribution you can generous with time to them. So this is something I talk about prosperity. Prosperity has come. Are you generous enough to say that yes, I can share this with somebody? Are you generous enough in appreciating people? People have done something. Kaslaitana chankel antunka. Are you saying thank you to them? Are you expressing your gratitude? ये आलोचन कर रहे थे. So the next one, the fifth one is about being humane. Humanity mun sanguchitaga. Being human, being good to others, not hurting others knowingly. Maybe unknowingly you'll do it, but try not to do that also. People are different. You can see these fingers of the hand, of the palm, right? You have different fingers. Each finger has gotten a job of its own. Jointly, they're a team. But see the length of each finger, the shape of each finger, everything is varying, right? And this is the case with everyone. So people are different. People will be born differently. So you have to understand there will be a difference in opinions also. People will differ from each other. So be humane with them, be kind to others. So this is the next point I want to say. Next thing is about attitude. 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 What kind of attitude he is doing? Is he showing a positive attitude, negative attitude? Hantu antunka teen vishay sanche sir. Ek kasal malari knowledge. Knowledge of a person. Skills of a person. Yen sanguche KSA mun sanguche. KSA. Knowledge, skills and attitude. Knowledge as a skills as a attitude as a ejana purastaya. So nowadays people have found out which is most important in this. If you have an idea, you can just put it there in your comments. I told you three things: knowledge, skill, attitude. Yes, attitude. So what do you feel is important in this? Is it knowledge? Is it skill? Or do you think all three are important? Teventu Sangyat. Okay, so they say nowadays recruitment. I'm sure people are into recruitment. People are into training. Some of you might be in human resources development. So what do you look for in an individual? I'm happy you're saying attitude. Yes, attitude is very important. So now is knowledge is very important. Skill is very important. Attitude is more important, they say, because if you have the right attitude, any company where you join, they will be able to give you the training that is required. They'll be able to give you more and more training. They'll be able to impart the skills also. Skills will come as you learn the job and start operating on that job. So if you have the right attitude, you will be able to, only attitude will not be sufficient. Yes, that's a good thing. Yes, I agree with you. So I was telling you, are three important? All the three are definitely important. Yes, Pravesh Badma, all the three are very important. Yes, but nowadays what is happening? There is a thought among people that I can train people. I just want to give you thought in this, because you see, in let us take the example of engineering candidates. You go for recruitments in colleges. So when the semester is getting over, there are a lot of people who come, corporates come for campus recruitment. I have also been part of these kind of recruitments. So when we go there, we look for some people who have having knowledge. We look for skills also, but sometimes we take a person into IT job, information technology job, people who have done mechanical engineering also. So does he have the skills? Does he have the knowledge based on that for that IT skill? May not be, right? So what we see is, in that case, is this person having the attitude to learn? So this is important. Okay, knowledge and skill is important. Is he ready to take those two things? Is he ready to understand things and learn them? So there is always a time given for him to learn also. There is a learning curve. So if that is there, people take them. So I was just discussing on the attitude. So have the right attitude, which will also add a D to it. I told you KSA, knowledge, skills, attitude, and there is one called D, which is called discipline. So this is a new addition that people have made in the learning and development phase. So this is something called knowledge, skill, attitude, and discipline. That will bring more discipline. Next point I want to tell you is about setting goals. What goals you want to set in your life? Setting goals and also reaching those goals, achieving those goals. So once you have a goal, you know that your aim is that. So you start shooting towards that. Without a goal, you might end going elsewhere. You might digress from your main interest and go somewhere else. So, what is our goal today? I want to tell you as much as I can do. I want to tell you also, I also need to know whether you understood. That's why I'm asking you to give your comments in the chat. So, when I say goals, I can give you this is too less a time for telling you about goal setting and all that, but you can always, you're all very smart people. So, remember the word smart. So this is something that is shared with everyone. There's something called smart. Everyone is a smart guy nowadays. So you can say smart goals, where S stands for specific. If you want, you can note down. S stands for specific. M stands for measurable. So your goal should be very specific. Your goal should be measurable. So what gets measured can be controlled. What cannot be measured cannot be controlled. Next point is A. Next letter in that is A, which stands for achievable or attainable. So you cannot take something which is non-achievable or not attainable at all. Take something which is reasonably achievable by putting some, you can stretch a little bit. So S is for smart, smart goal. S stands for specific. M stands for measurable. A stands for achievable or attainable. R stands for, what is R? You should be able to, it should be relevant to what you're doing. You cannot, they say no, you cannot compare apples with orange. So when you're doing something, that should be comparable. So it should be relevant to your specific area of operation. So SMAR. T is, see, this program is time bound. नाही आम्ही सांगता say 45 minutes, 15 minutes question answer अशी म्हणून सांगच्या. So that is called, this program is time bound. So T stands for time bound. Again, I'm repeating: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and T is for time bound. So, and another thing, when you are having a goal in mind, you could also have a backup plan. If this does not happen, what do I do? Backup plan it becomes success becomes easier. R stands for realistic. Yes, they say relevant, realistic. Yes, thanks, Sandhya. Okay, so next, can you make, you have a lot of habits now. Kasan habit asं sakni आम्ही walking आवश्यक habit असं najalari. We have habits of could be good habits, bad habits. I'm just referring to habits. So can you make happiness a habit, Malan? Next question, Miguel. Can you make happiness a habit? Yes or no? You want to make it a habit? So let me tell you one thing. People will be the way they are, Nobody has been able to change anyone else. So changes can be brought to self only. So make happiness a habit. So the more you start, you have to do it, yes, to remain happy. Make happiness a habit. Don't allow others to make you unhappy. So make happiness a habit. Find happiness in whatever you're doing. Sometimes you may not have the job of your choice. Sometimes you may not be liking to do certain things in your daily chores that we are doing, but try to remain happy in what you're doing. So find happiness in your work. Every job that we do, every activity that you do is a chance given to us by God to serve somebody else. If you see, you are actually serving people. In some activity that you do, you are serving in one way or other. Buying something is also a service. Somebody has made that product available to you. You are serving them. So make happiness a habit. Whatever you're doing, make it happily. Do it in a very happy way. Next thing is, I was just talking about generosity. Okay. So I'm talking to you about one more attitude here, making generosity or expressing gratitude. So small things like thank you. Oh, you did a good job. If you're in an office or in an organization, you know how good you feel. If someone has given you a pat on the back or someone tells you, oh, great job done. It was very nice. So that's called attitude of gratitude. So this have this attitude where you are expressing your gratitude. Don't delay saying that. You say immediately. Because when you delay, no, it doesn't carry that kind of an effect. So say that you liked something, makate like I got benefited Ashman Sangachi. You start saying that immediately. So make this gratitude, it's supposed to be the best attitude also. And next point, Amkasan Sanchamalari, enjoying what you do. Like a word sangin sir. If you read the books of Robin Sharma, you get this word. Savor mun sangtado. SAVOR, savor. Savor what you do. Savor mala enjoy karai. Even if it is a cup of coffee, morning you are having a cup of coffee. Along with that coffee, have a you'll start reading your newspaper. Maybe nowadays newspapers are not coming. You'll start switching on the TV. You start doing this involuntarily. In fact, suddenly you go to the switch, you switch on, come and sit and watch the news or maybe some episode of a serial that you're seeing. All this happens automatically. So you're not doing one thing at a time. You're trying to do lot of tasks, which is again called multitasking bias. It is not actually multitasking. You're switching your tasks. So understand that. So enjoy what you're doing. When you're having a cup of coffee, please enjoy that cup of coffee. I know it's a bit difficult. It's challenging in office because you have, see, someone is saying you're doing a good job. Appreciation has come already. Attitude of gratitude. Sri Lata has said that. Thank you, Sri Lata. So, attitude of gratitude, after that, followed by savor. Savor is enjoying what you're doing. So, find happiness. I told you already. Now, you will find more happiness when you start enjoying doing it. Enjoy your cup of coffee. Enjoy whatever you're doing. Like, even if it is speaking to a client, telling him to do something which is very difficult for you, start enjoying that and doing it. You'll find more value added to what you're doing. Even the satisfaction level will be very high to the respondent. Next thing I want to tell you is, we always keep telling people do this, do that, do that. We keep preaching, right? We keep preaching a lot. Amite kartave hamge life antu. Think over it. So if you're not doing, start doing it. So that is a step I want you to take, where you set an example. At the I think I can tell you a personal example. What happened in my house? I keep narrating this to many people. This is something that has happened to me. My father used to smoke cigarettes. It is not a habit with me. So he used to send me to buy cigarettes from the opposite shop. Because he used to give me some money and I used to enjoy doing that because I can go to the road, right? Cross the road, go there to the opposite small shop, petty shop, get him a packet of his choice, that cigarette that he used to smoke. And as a small kid, I used to enjoy doing that. So I saw, see, this is what I recollected later on in my life. Then I saw that as I was growing, maybe when I was 7 or 8 or something, he slowly stopped asking me to get cigarettes. He started going to the shop, buying cigarette and bringing home and sometimes smoking. Then slowly he stopped smoking at home, started going out and smoking in the shop. See how things change. And then when I was in my teens, in maybe I was in 8th standard, 10th standard, 9th standard, those days, he called me one day and said, he was smoking outside the house. He said, look, Sumesh, this is a very difficult thing to stop. So I leave it to you. This is exactly what he told me. He didn't say don't smoke. So what I'm trying to tell you here is set an example. Even if you stop that and say, look, I am stopping this will have a better impact. But he did something in a different way. So these are all ways that you can do. So choose your way of doing things. Set an example to others. Walk the talk mun sangu chedaka. Preach only what you practice. So this is one more thing I wanted to say. Next point I want to share with you is I'm definitely going to repeat all these things because think I put so many things in very short time to all of you. Next thing is about taking ownership. Ownership मला कसं नाही. When I say take ownership in your company, what does that mean? Just give a thought to it. Take ownership to the job that you are doing. That means be accountable to what you're doing and also put your best into doing that. If it was your business, definitely you'll run it in a particular way. No? So take a lot of ownership in that. That's what I'm saying. See that you can give your best in what you're doing and remain accountable for what you're doing. Your responsibility, accountability, Malala chike confusion ase. Te antumka sangta. Accountability. Is it the same? Accountability. Yes, we know the feeling responsible. Thank you. Yes. Of our actions. Yes. Okay, I will talk about both the things. See, when you say responsibility, I am responsible to do this particular job, this particular action I am supposed to take. I remain responsible for doing it. Now, my next question is, can you share responsibility with others? Yes or no? Can you share responsibility? I know you're all thinking. Let me ask you another question. Then what is accountability? Can we share accountability? With this question, I think people have come to know that these two are slightly different. I'm just pausing purposely. Please give a thought. End user's perspective. Okay, let me, yes, no, okay, yes, we can, okay. Assume that you are the CEO of a company for a while. You are the chief executive officer of a company, of your company where you're working. So you have set a target for the year saying that this will be my turnover for the year. The turnover achieve Nijalari, board members, everybody is going to ask you why this has not been achieved. Some people are giving an answer no. Purnima, yes. Okay. So can you share your accountability? We can't share accountability. Yes, Yogesh Badawan, very right. So you can't share accountability. You remain accountable for what you have committed, but you can share the responsibility. So this is a slight difference that I wanted you to understand because responsibility has to be shared. Tekhatira misagas company. So somebody is the CEO, somebody is the general manager, somebody is a supervisor, someone is a manager. Some people are getting the job done, some people are doing the job. ये पुरा तुम्ही कस मिळार responsibility share करून काढते तुम्ही कसल responsibility काढली की ते responsibility तुम्ही accountable. So now you understood the relationship between these two. So just wanted to open up that. This is a vast subject. We can go on for hours and hours together. If time permits, definitely I would have loved that. So another, so I told you about taking ownership, remain accountable for what you have agreed to. Accountability means you are answerable. Yes, very much. You are answerable to what you are accountable. Yes, Vijay Lakshmi. Want to make it a habit? Yes, happiness, you should make it a habit. Yes. Next point, taking ownership. I want to share another point with you. This is about energizing people. Can we energize people? Think about it. Can we energize people? As I speak to you, I have something very warm, have a sip of coffee, I get energized. Definitely, yes. Can we energize another person? We all have power to energize ourselves, energize others also through our deeds, what we do. From what we do, from what we say, we can energize others. When we think good for others, good things happen. Positive vibes keep floating around. They just keep get transferred to the person. So understand that this is actually part of physics only, something related to physics. So you can actually know that energy flows from one end to another end. So this is about energy transfer. So you can make, you can break. Yashmun Sankhya. That is in our hand only. What you can make and what you can break. Okay. I want to tell you a small story. I have some good storyteller here. I want to tell you that Sandhya is a very good storyteller who is listening to this program. Yes. So I will try to tell you a story too. So accountability, responsibility, getting bothered about it, not getting bothered about something. ताजे खातीर हे सन story आम्ही include केल्या. It is not going to affect me मला like attitude आमकां आसता. ये म्हाका आसुना, ये म्हाका affect जायना. Corona will not affect me म्हूण आतां सांगचे मस्त जनानी. So there is a farmhouse in some rural place. There is a nice farmhouse. So there are a few characters in this story. The first character is a mouse, एक विंदूर, एक mouse. So the mouse used to trouble a lot. कसलंय दवन जे bread loaf का खात ते न्हू रात्री कसले fruits दवन जे ते it comes and nibbles that, it choose some other vegetable. कष्ट दिता आसले. So they want to kill that. They want to kill that uh, rat. The mouse saga young kurchube. What is generally used? Either you use a poison. Next option is you can use a rat. There is a box which is used, no trap. We call it as a mouse trap. So like mouse trap, gehenata chiti garla, and te davarta I think. So when the mouse trap came, the mouse started going around the other people in the house. Who are the other characters in the story? So there is a character which is called a cock, combo. There's a cock in the house. So the cock says, "What is this? You are coming and telling me mouse trap. Mouse trap is meant for you. It's your headache. Why should I be bothered?" Next to Dhanu, Ajilevata, Pigga Levata, Dukra Levata. Choyak, mouse trap, dangerous. Oh, yeah, I think you are having a problem, Mr. Mouse. It's not my problem, Meshmun Sangun. He just shirks him away. He sends him away. Next, the mouse goes to the bull. Ek pat dostanga, garan. He goes to him and says, "Look, there's a mouse trap in the house." What is wrong with you? That's not going to do anything. It's even smaller than my. You look at my body. I'm so strong and I'm so big. So how does it matter to me? You must be mentally ill, he says. So this mouse doesn't know what to do. It starts thinking of ways and means how to get this rid of this mouse trap. It doesn't know what to do. That night, what happens? There is a sound in the night. Suddenly, the mouse trap closes. There is a noise in the house. So the lady at the house, that is the farmer's wife, heard this noise. She wakes up. She goes and sees what is there. As she goes there, it's too dark there. So she finds that a venomous snake, malare ek vish asile ko divodu, taje tailus na, taje baal tantu pala, te trap antu. And as she comes there and she sees what is it, by that time she is bitten by the snake. Take a gas marta, the word. And it's a very poisonous snake. and she shouts. The farmer is awake. Tries to give her some basic, whatever you call, some kind of, he tries to extract the blood from there. All that he does. He tries to get the vaid from the uh, farmer, the village. But it's too, in the midnight this has happened. Next day morning, she has become too sick. Though she was taking some medicines and all, she has become sick. And she was not gaining conscious. She was losing consciousness. तशी असताना मस्त लगेच relatives पुरत आहे घरात. So he has to do something. He is finding that he has to cook for them. He has to give them something good to eat. ते कोंब्याक आणि कतरताची ते. So chicken biryani अशी कसल की करून दितात ते सगळे. So look at this. So one wicket is down. मागीर कसल जाता आनीक जन तसय. ही एक serious जाता निके. So number of people are more meat is required. ते डुकरागे कतरताची. So they make that also. So the second wicket is also gone. Now what is left is only the bull. By the time the farmer's wife dies. And for her funeral, there are so many people who come, and to take care of them, the bull also had to be slaughtered. तुला आमगेल कष्ट नाही आहे आणि कोणाक असताना म्हाका रिलेवंट नाही अशें म्हणून आमी विचार करताना आमी विचार करता असे तांकां आम सांगचें मेसेज डोंट थिंक लायक दॅट समटायम्स इट मायट बी रिलेवंट टू यू थिंक अबाउट इट सो be conscious about things that are happening in your mind. So we are looking at perfection. Definitely we may not get perfection, we'll be very close to perfection. When you look at other things also that could happen, I want to give you another thought in mind, that is about तुम्ही बॉम्ब एक डब्बावाला म्हणून सांगताचे. I know everyone knows about it. They take lunch from home at around 11 or something when the crowd is over. No, the trains are all crowded there. The local trains are too crowded in Mumbai. After that, these people go there. They go and serve lunch boxes to every place and then bring the empty lunch boxes back to the houses. So there is a high efficiency rate. They say they are not making any error, or they make one error in 2 months. That is what the study has said. There's hardly an error. नाजल्या 2 महिने तू एक error मला रे तुम्ही एक विचार करून चाहिए एक नॉन व्हेज खावनातील मनशाक नॉन व्हेज येयल्या कसन जाता म्हळ्यार डब्बा पुरा एकमट रपता outside box is same for everybody. They use some coding system on that which ensures that it reaches the right person. The coding, it is so simple but so foolproof. That's why they say there are people about, you can say around 500 people are on this chain, and they deliver lakhs and lakhs of tiffin boxes. They say it's something close to 3 to 4 lakhs of tiffin boxes. And same way, the empties come back to the relevant house also. So just think about it, how they are doing it. People from Management Institute, I am talking about Indian Institute of Management, even Harvard, all those people have come and pura study kun they find that there is something good about that. So in the Forbes magazine and all, they have appeared. This study has appeared in the Forbes magazine. And people are not educated. We were talking about knowledge and skills. No, they have the knowledge, they have the skills, they have the attitude. All the three go hand in hand in them. That's why they have been very successful. Next, uh, another small tip to you is, आम्ही कसले एक जाता ना कसले एक आमकां इष्ट असता ना असता. Generally, what happen? Our tendency is to react. कसले एक situation आमी react करताय. आमी react करताय. So, can you think of bringing a change there from reaction to responding? This is another thing I want to leave with you. Think about it. Can we start responding instead of reacting? Studies have shown that responses are much better. In fact, they are not negative. Most of the time, when you react, it hurts the other person. So let us try to respond now onwards. Now, I think we are at almost at the end of 45 minutes. So my time keeping has been good. Time management was good. I want to give you one more hint. I will read out whatever I told you, the points again I will tell you. I want to tell you one more point about using some power words. I mean, power words, I am a forgetful person. I know that. Let me give you an example. If my wife tells me, don't forget to bring milk from the department store when you go out. What is the sentence I told you? Don't forget to bring milk this time. Otherwise, you may not get coffee tomorrow morning. Milk is over. So, what do I think when I said I know I'm forgetful, but when someone tells you that you are forgetful, you feel hurt. So, can you change this word from forgetting to something else? Think about it. Can you use a positive word? Can someone tell me? Don't forget. I'm sure somebody is going to give me the answer. So when you use these power words, they are all simple words only. They're not very, please remember, very good. Yes. So when you say remember, you don't get hurt. Please don't forget malate negative hota. Please remember. आता एक washing machine तुम्ही supply केला एक client टाक. So if the person, the technician म्हणतात म्हणता का technician घरले तनिक सांगता ते homemaker आले सांगता I will teach you how to operate this machine म्हणून सांगता. How will you feel? Definitely you'll feel bad. Toko anamaka teach ko rukona ilato. So you can say, let me give you a demo. So these are all small things that I wanted to tell you. Shisana masta seshu. You can use some power words. So again, I'm just reading I'm just reading quickly the points which I told you. First thing, I asked you a few questions. Getting good, better, best. What do you want? Then I asked you, tak answer sanganit kai. So she is saying, no, many of you said better. A lot of people said better. So I have to explain that answer. My wife is sitting there. She is my audience today. Okay. So let me give you that answer. See, we break records many times. No, you look at 100 meters dash or you look at any event in the sports. Are you trying to be good, better, or best? Everybody wants to win, right? So somebody breaks a record, he becomes the best. How long is he the best? That is my next question. There is someone who is going to be better than that best, right? So I have started believing personally that you can become better and better and better. So I leave that thought with you. Again, I'm telling you good, better, best there. So that thought I'm leaving with you. The next one was about being brave. The next one I told you was about being genuine, being different from the crowd. Magiri prosperity, sharing what you have, and also being generous. Magir humanity, being good to others, being kind to others. Magir am sangin attitude, tantam teen sangin dunka. Knowledge, skills, and attitude sangil. And then I added one more called discipline. Magir goal setting sangin dunga. Smart goal mun sangin ave. Magiri make happiness a habit. So your happiness should not be affected by somebody else's comments or what they say about you. Make attitude a gratitude. That's supposed to be a very good attitude. Savoring, enjoying what you're doing. Then setting an example to others. That is, I also use the word saying, walk the talk. Next time, taking ownership. When you do something, take ownership for that. Energizing others. Around us, you energize them. Keep talking nicely to them, pep them up. Don't talk negative. Then the next antunga time sangin. Energizing others and also ownership. I told you about taking ownership, and then I told you energizing others. Then I told you a story about that mouse where I said taking. This is about taking ownership only. When something that is not relevant to you, also you're taking ownership. Next, I told you about power words. Power words are very simple words where responding and reacting. Can you? Yeah, I'll explain to you. I think I have to scroll down to get that. Responding and reacting, yes, that's a question which has come. I will answer that. Before that, I'll just conclude. I want you to do something now. Since you have heard all this, I want to just ask you to do something. Find out what are the things in your life that you want to stop doing. after listening to me. You have been doing something, whether you want to stop doing something. Mentally, I'm telling you to do it mentally, or you can write it down also. What are the things you want to start doing? Something that you want to stop doing, something you want to start doing, something is going well with you, and you are already following certain things which I have told you. So that means continue doing. So what I tell you? What do I want to stop doing? What do I want to start doing? What do I want to continue doing? Then to make mental note korngeyachu. Okay. So this was my plan of coverage, and then I will definitely answer. There was a query on what is the difference between responding and reacting. Okay. Reacting, what happens is you don't think, you do it based on your emotions. तुमक ते सांगता ना कसन फील जाता, इट कुड बी ईगो, इट कुड बी एंगर, ते पुरा तुवली भायर येता ताका सांगच्या मी रिएक्शन म्हण सांगच्या. But responding, you give a little thought about it. You start thinking whether what you're saying is right, or is it right for him, or is he also right. म्हळ्यार तक्कसल म्हळ्यार तांतू मस्त एम्पथी असता तांतू. There's something called empathy. Sympathy म्हळ्यार आनी एकल्याचेर आमकां कारुण्य दिसूचें. Yeah, empathy malari, you are putting yourself in that person's place and thinking. When you think like that, there are more chances that you will give a positive response. That's why I said respond. So response becomes more positive. Almost all the time response will be more positive. But negative is more of, but this would be when you react, very unlikely that it will be positive, or it will not be taken positive by the person who is listening to you. That I find is the small difference between these two. Any other questions you want to ask me? Today I should be better than what I was yesterday, and so on. Yes, Jnanamurthy, very much. Thank you. We should all be having that thought in mind that we should be better than what we were yesterday, what we were even a few minutes back. Any other questions? Vidya Bhatt, thank you. So thanks a lot. It was my pleasure being with you for about 45 to 50 minutes. Looking forward to more sessions. Definitely we can have more sessions in the coming day, and there are a lot of people who are going to do, we have a lot of talent in our community, so this is a platform. So my sincere thanks to Gautam Badma, who actually how to implement all what you told. I thought you were going to say I am going to implement all that you told. How to implement all that you told? These are all very small things only, I told you. So you should have first you first you should feel that you require to make these changes. So you decide on what areas you want to work on. सगळे एकापाठी करणार नाही. You can do one by one. That also you can do. Think of your priority. We plan well, but when it comes to implementing, we hit the rock. Yes, sometimes things go ahead bad from your plans. That's why I was talking about sometimes you have a plan A, plan B, backup plan. The topics covered were very, Mahesh Annu, thank you. Very informative. So this is actually taken, I have taken a lot from, so the thanks goes to our GSB platform, the organizers of them, and also whatever I could read from various people like Robin Sharma, many other authors. We try to read whenever we get time. Now there is a lot of time also. So I've just put those thoughts together and some of the things which have worked good for me. So this responding has worked very well for me, really, in my life. Savoring has helped me a lot. In fact, I do that with my cup of coffee. That's why I mentioned cup of coffee. Rajasri is saying, I am feeling better now itself. I am better now itself. Consistency is what is important with the plan. Yes, there are three things which talk about consistency. Of course, I had thought about it also. You can also talk about being conscious, consistent, that you want to bring the change. It's not about starting suddenly and then leaving it. So think about continuing it. So they say commitment consistency and confidence. Those three things. Ramesh Kumar, how to change negativity in the person whom I meet regularly? Now, that negativity, whether you are going to absorb or not, Ramesh, that is with you. You want to become a person who absorbs that negativity or not absorb, that is in your hand. Please understand that. Because there will be negativity. Because as I told you, everyone is different. And the person who is spreading negativity is not thinking so. He doesn't think that it is negative. He is not doing it purposely. Many times people don't do things purposely. Thank you for the question, Ramesh. Thank you, Viji. Very relevant topics you have covered in short time. Yes, time was a challenge definitely because I would like to give you examples and examples. I would like to give you even show you some good videos and all that. On this platform, it is a bit difficult. So we can do that definitely. So thanks a lot. And we wind up here. All the best to all of you in this quest of becoming personally more and more effective. When you're personally effective, it becomes professionally effective. It also becomes socially effective. That's what I want to tell you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a nice evening. It's not yet night. It's almost night. Yes. Have a nice evening. All the best to all of you. God bless you all.